I think this is why I always have an affinity to my peers, because I know the truth. I know what it takes, and all it takes is for you to believe in yourself. And that sounds so damn cheesy because we hear that all of our lives, but seriously, life is a fucking fairy tale.
Believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you, yeah. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in you.
Hey guys, it's your girl DaYanna, and I'm back for another video. So I think y'all probably looking at my hair like, what is she doing? So I have put these mini twists in. I want to say Thursday. It is. By the time y'all see this video, it'll probably be. Y'all know me, I don't really do editing like that. So by the time y'all see this video, it'll probably be Monday, Tuesday. I don't know. It's Monday right now. So I wanted to keep these in for 2 weeks. So I'm kind of retwisting them like this finger because they were kind of getting a little frizzy and look a little rough. So I have my Eco Styler, the green one. I really have the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream for dry, dehydrated hair. I have some rubber bands, and every now and then you might see me grab my shea butter. So what I'm doing is just sectioning it off. Like you see how like it's frizzy over here, so I'm really just taking a little gel and just taking it and just flicking it and then wrapping it around my finger. No, I'm not locking my hair. I'm just trying to get it to stay in for a little bit longer, because I was trying to do these for 2 weeks, but right these was going, since these was not coming in for 2 weeks. And I thought it'd be cool to add a natural hair video on my channel, since I haven't done one of those in a minute on my channel. I used to do them all the time, but I was like, you know what, let me just do it. So this section is pretty much done. You see the difference between this part and this part. So what I'm going to do is grab a rubber band, open my shea butter, take the shea butter, put it against my thing, rub it against there, and put the section up. So again, what I'm going to do is take some of the shea butter, wrap it around this part of my hair. This back section is pretty much done, so I'm just going to show y'all the last section that I am doing. And just take these, take a little bit of the twisting cream, just put them on my hair, and just do a little twisting motion with all of them. Take some of this gel, and just take the frizzy ones. I'm just looking at the ones that I, just take a little bit of gel. Don't take too much, because you don't want too much gel in your hair, because you still gotta wash your hair after these. And just take the gel, help with the frizziness. Like the ones like this one, I'm gonna take a little bit of gel, more gel, just around my finger. And I'm just gonna do that with a couple of them. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of them, but I ain't wanna do a couple of them, just so that, see, don't do too much. Like a little gel. If it's still wet, you don't need a little gel, but these are still kind of dry. So, and just take a little bit and just wrap it around your finger. So this is how I'm gonna be maintaining my mini twists until I feel like I want to take them out. No, I am not locking my hair. No ma'am. These will probably come out at the 2 week mark, because I feel like my hair will lock up, because I am adding gel to it. So this pretty much just, you see the difference, how I was looking a frizzy ass mess. And I oiled my scalp yesterday, so it was looking even more rougher. So I'm gonna take these out, take my rubber bands out. Let me hit these spots back here, because I didn't do anything to this part, but these don't really need anything. My front, that was looking kind of rough, a little kind of rough. Took a little gel and just add it there, and take this and in each front. Like I said, I already did this section. Add a little bit more because they kind of dried up. Just add a little bit over here. You see? Hold on, let me fluff. Now, I didn't really twist at the roots or part. Simply because, listen, I can't really do hair since we're in this, you know, thing we got going on. I really, you know, so then, honestly, I have an edge brush, but I really feel like looking for it, so I'm gonna take my comb, my rat tail, my whatever tail, bone tail, whatever tail y'all call it, a rat tail, and just, even though I want to fleek, you know, your hair is not complete unless your edges is on fleek, period, and just take a bit, smooth it, and just smooth. I don't really do anything other than swoops, like a real one big swoop, because I'm not really into edges and all of that, but to make it look a little bit neater when it's like that, and just lift up over here. It don't look as puffy in the front. So, hold on. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And just look at it. Hey. These, like I said, we're done Thursday. It is Monday of the following week. So, yeah. See how you just get a whole new look. Cause just be very fresh in your hair a little bit. Alright, y'all. If y'all want a tutorial on how I did each one of these, I might record it. I know I'm gonna record me unraveling these so that I can show y'all how it looked. But yeah, hope y'all guys enjoy y'all the break, and y'all don't be panicking, okay? Alright, love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
As I've told you time and time again, you have the ability to accomplish anything that you desire.
You're special, sweetie. And God wants to do great things through you. What you believe becomes what they see. See your reflection in the mirror, may it always be